may patusok. Cellphone. Ano ba ito? Kami punta? School. Malamang? Uy, inaantok. Punta kami na school kasi awarding ngayon. And the awarding is awarders. Awarders? Basta ganun.
Nahor Chelsea D with a GPA of 1.30. Nahito Krisha B with a GPA of 1.50. Emma Maricel M with a GPA of 1.36. And Zaragoza Hart Q with a GPA of 1.37 and 1.
Forward with a thirst for knowledge and minds and hearts eager to serve. Once again, congratulations our dear Sebastinians. Bravo, Baste.